Keep your spine straight. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Om. 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 ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं व्रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं वशगोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहास्य सन्द्रार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम्। श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोर्मं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्य दध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवति अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We have seen yesterday up till 52nd, but now with the aim to complete 53rd and 54th in this session, let's dive in. So we are going to see now Dhenuka Asuravadha. I hope we all have managed to see the Aghasura and Brahma, the ego, uh, what you can say, ego diminishing story in that cartoon. It was really very cute. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Dhenuka Suravadha is before that. So do watch that also. It's very beautifully taken in that. So now without wasting, let's get into Upajati Chandas. Have we seen before? Yes, we have seen. We are not discussing now. And we are going straight ahead. Those who have any doubts should refer the pages behind. Just scroll your pages little backwards. And if you don't get it over there, after you have searched enough, then only message me that you don't know Upajati. And then we'll talk about it. Otherwise, we have taken it. Let's go ahead. Okay, so Dashakam 53, Dhenukasura Varnana, Upajati Chandas. We two, ready? Atitya Balyan Jagatam Pate Tvam.
अतीत्य बाल्यं जगतां पते त्वम्
Upetya Paugandavayo Manodnyam.
उपेत्य पौगण्डवयो मनोज्ञम्
Upeksha Vatsavanamutsaven.
उपेक्ष्य वत्सावनुमत्सवेन
Vatsavanamutsaven. Vatsavanam Utsaven.
उपेक्ष्य वत्सावनमुत्सवेन
प्रावर्तथागो गणपालनायाम्
प्रावर्थगो गणपालनाया
प्रावर्तथा
प्रावर्तथा गोगणपालनायाम् अतीत्य बाल्यं जगतां पते त्वम् उपेत्य पौगण्डवयो मनोज्ञम् उपेक्ष्य वनमुत्सवेन प्रावर्तथा गोगणपालनायाम्.
Okay. Will Arjun and Anish join later on?
Yes.
Yeah, they're finished. Okay.
Now.
Okay, now. Right. Atitya, gone. Balyam. So, Lords now. The Balyavastha has gone. Jagatam patetvam. Tvam, your, O Jagatapati, O Jagatpati, your Balyavastha has gone, Atitya. And Upetya, you have reached Paugandavaya. Manodnyam, the beautiful teenage now you have reached. You have become little older. So, Upeksha Vatsavanam. Vatsa, calf. Vatsavanam, you are taking care of the calf. That Upeksha. So now Lord has left seeing, taking care of the calves. And he has graduated in what? Goganapala. Now he is ready to take care of the cows. So when he was a small, he was tending small baby cows. Now he is ready for the attending. So pravarthata means you are in the pravritti of, you are engaged into now taking care of the cows. अतीत्य बाल्यं जगतां पते त्वम् उपेत्य पौगण्डवयो मनोज्ञम् उपेक्ष्य वत्सावनमुत्सवेन प्रावर्धता गोगणपालनायाम्. I didn't say the meaning of that. Vatsavana, Utsavena is like with a great celebration, with great enthusiasm. Now you are ready to take care of a bigger cow. So Lord has become big now. Big means what? Teenager boy, not so very big. Ah, yes, Anish. उपक्रमस्यानुगुणैव सेयम्
उपक्रमस्यानुगुणैव सेयम्
मरुत्पुराधीश तव प्रवृत्तिः।
मरुत्पुराधीश तव प्रवृत्तिः
गोत्रापरित्राण कृतेव तीर्णः।
गोत्रापरित्राणकृतेऽवतीर्णः
तदेव देवारभथास्तदायत्।
तदेव देवारभथास्तदायत् उपक्रमस्यानुगुणैव सेयम् मरुत्पुराधीश तव प्रवृत्तिः गोत्रापरित्रण गोत्रापरित्राणकृतेऽवतीर्णः तदेव देवारभथास्तदायत्
So now what has happened? Upakramasya anuguna eva means upakrama. This what you have now started taking care of the cows. This is anuguna eva. This is just a apt thing. Oh Marutpuradhisha Guruvayarappa Tava Pravritti. Your this engagement that to take care of the cows is just apt. Why? Gotra paritrana krite. So. Avatiranaha, your incarnation, your avatara, you have come down for Gotra Paritrana Krite. Like we have heard this word, no? Paritranaya Sadhuna. So we have heard this Paritrana means protection of the sadhus. Sadhus are the wise people. So over here, Gotra Paritrana. So now, seemingly it will appear like to take care of all the cows. But Gotra, another meaning is earth. So for the protection of the earth, you have taken this avatara. So Bhattatiri has used this very wisely, this combination. So he is attending the cows. And so Gotra Paritrana, seemingly it is like to protection of the cows. But it is Gotra also means protection of the earth. So Deva Arabhatas Tadayat. So when you have begun this, this is very apt only in that sense. Upakramasyanu seyam seyam. Anybody? Sandhi. Which one? Seyam. Anybody? Okay, I'll open the sandhi. Sa yam. A plus E. A.
वृद्धि वृद्धि
Yes.
संधि
Ji. Bilkul. Yes. Sa yam. So sa is a feminine. So this job in that sense, it is the pravritti. Okay. Upakramasyanu se vruddhi sandhi. Those who didn't hear it. Upakramasyanu seyam marutpuradhisha tava pravrittihi gotra paritrana kriteva tirnaha tadeva devarabhathastadayat. Yes, Arjun. Kadapi ramena samam vanante
कदापि रामेण समौ वनान्ते
vanashriyam viksha charan sukhena
वनश्रियं वीक्ष्य चरन् सुखेन
श्रीदामनाम्न स्वसखस्य वाचा
श्रीदामनाम्नः स्वसखस्य वाचा
मोदादगाधेनुककाननं त्वम्
मोदादगाधेनुककाननं त्वम् कदापि रामेण समौ वनान्ते वनश्रियं वीक्ष्य चरन् सुखेन श्रीदामनाम्नः स्वसखस्य वाचा मोदादगाधेनुककाननं त्वम्.
Very good. So, thank you, my little three awesome kids. Three, so. Okay. Now what happened? Kadapi. Once upon a time, Ramena Samam with Rama. With Rama, third case, Valarama over here. Vanante, inside the forest. Vanashriyam, the Shriya, the beauty of the forest. Viksha, having seen. Charan Sukhena, seeing the beauty of the forest happily with Balaramji and Krishna going in the forest. That time, Shri Dama Namnaha Swasakhasya Vacha. Sakhasya, Devasya. What is the case? Quickly.
षष्ठी
Shashti Ekvachan means apostrophe S. That Swasakhasya, own friends, apostrophe S, Vacha, words. Who? Shri Dama Namnaha. Own friend called as Sri Dama. Sri Dama named friend, his own friend. his vacha, by his words, Modadaga Dhenuka Kananatvam. Dhenuka name forest because of his suggestion. Tvam Modad Aga. With joy, you went into the Dhenuka forest because your friend Sri Damana suggested that we can go over there. Lord also agreed. Okay, let's go like that, he said. कदापि रामेण समं वनान्ते वनश्रियं वीक्ष्य चरन् सुखेन श्रीरामनाम्नः स्वसखस्य वाचा मोदादगाब्धेनुककाननं त्वम्. My dear, please come. Ready? Number 4. उत्तालताली निवहे त्वदुक्त्या
उत्तालताली निवहे त्वदुक्त्या
बलेन धूतेथ बलेन दोर्भ्याम्
बलेन धूतेत बलेन दोर्भ्याम्
मृदुःखरश्चाभ्यपतत् पुरस्तात्.
मृदुःखरश्चाभ्यपतत् पुरस्तात्
पतत्, not patat.
पतत् पुरस्तात्.
So not pata, patat, patat.
पतत्. Okay.
Say again.
मृदुःखरश्चाभ्यपतत् पुरस्तात्.
Very good. फलोत्करो धेनुकदानवोऽपि
फलोत्करो धेनुकदानवोऽपि उत्तालताली निवहे त्वदुक्त्या बलेन धूतेत बलेन दोर्भ्याम् मृदुःखरश्चाभ्यपतत् पुरस्तात् फलोत्करो धेनुकदानवोऽपि.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, so now what happens? Uttala, very high. Tali, talavrakshas are like the palm trees. Okay, so uttala tai nivahe. Nivaha is that bunch. Huh? So that time Swaduktya, Bhattatari is saying to Lord, by your words, means Lord had prompted who? To Balramji about that palm tree, what he has to do? Balena dhute, that you shake it very hard so that those clusters, the bunch of the palm tree fruits will fall down. And so balena, by strength, dorbhyam, with both the hands, he shook the tree. With that, what happened? Mrudu, opposite of mrudu is khara. Huh? So khara is hard, mrudu is soft. So the ripe or the unripe, both abhyapatat purastat. Both the palm, whether it's a ripe fruit or unripe fruit, both fell down. So another name for a donkey is also khara. Okay. So when these phalas were falling, then dhenu ka danava api, he also tat purastat. He also fell down in front. So this khara is for the donkey also, and khara is for in the opposite, that mrudu and khara means soft and the hard fruits both fell down, and along with this danava, this asura called as Dhenuka, also he came in front. उत्तालताली निवहे त्वदुक्त्या बलेन धूतेथ बलेन दोर्भ्या मृदुःखरश्चाभ्यपतत् पुरस्तात् फलोत्करोऽब्धेनुकदानवोऽपि. Any more kids? Well done, I guess so. Okay, so the adults can raise hands now. Let's start with you, Lataji. Number 5. समुद्यतो धैनुकपालनेऽहम्
समुद्यतो धैनुकपालनेऽहम्
कथं वधं धैनुकमद्य कुर्वे
कथं वधं धैनुकमद्य कुर्वे
इतीव मत्वा ध्रुवमग्रजेन
सुरौघयोद्धारमजीघनस्त्वम् समुद्यतो धैनुकपालनेऽहम् कथं वधं धैनुकमद्य कुर्वे इतीव मत्वा ध्रुवमग्रजेन सुरौघयोद्धारमजीघनस्त्वम्.
So now what happens? So now this Dhenukasura has fallen over there. Samudyataha. Samudyata is like he is already doing something. Who Lord is already doing. What he is doing? Dhainuka palanaham. I am already minding all the cows. Okay, so now it is said in both the sense. I am minding already the cows. Katham vadham Dhainuka madhya kurve. I am minding Dhainukas. How can I kill the Dhainukas? Means by the name he is Dhainuka. So I am taking care of Dhainukas, means the cows. How will I kill a Dhainuka? Means Asura. Who? Lord is saying this. So as though Lord has prompted Balram to take care of this Asura. Even by the name Dhainuka also, Lord is not killing that Asura. He's saying that Dhainuka Palana, then Dhainuka Vadha Katham Karishre, he's asking. So itiva matva, as though he said dhruvam agrajena, so fast by the agraja, that means by the older brother, sura ugha yodhara ajighanastam, suraha, gods. Sura ugha yodhara, those who are opposite of the gods, that means of the Danava Rakshasa, ajighanastvam, that means he killed him, or because of him the Dhainukasura got killed, because God is Dhainuka Palana, the cow protector in that sense. So those are the play of words that we need to enjoy over here. Samudyato Dhainuka Palaneham katham vadham Dhainuka madhya kurve itiva matva dhruvamagrajena suraugha yodharam ajighanastvam. Number 6. Lalitama. तदीयभृत्यानपि जम्बुकत्वेनोपागतानग्रजसंयुतस्त्वम्. So, jambukatvena and upagata. But if we will break over there, then we'll get one extra word and our chandas will break. So, we are not taking break over there. Jambukatvena upagatan. So, we are not taking any breaks over there. तदीयभृत्यानपि जम्बुकत्वेनोपागतानग्रजसंयुतस्त्वम्.
तदीयभृत्यानपि जम्बुकत्वेनोपागतानग्रजसंयुतस्त्वम्.
Again.
तदीयभृत्यानपि जम्बुकत्वेनोपागतानग्रजसंयुतस्त्वम्.
जम्बूफलानीव तदा निरास्थः.
जम्बूफलानीव तदा निरास्थः.
तालेषु खेलन् भगवन्निरास्थः.
तालेषु खेलन् भगवन्निरास्थः. तदीयभृत्यानपि जम्बुकत्वेनोपागतानग्रजसंयुतस्त्वम्. जम्बूफलानीव तदा निरास्थतालेषु खेलन् भगवन्निरास्थः.
Again, beautiful play of words is over here. We can enjoy this verse as well. Tadiya, in likewise also, Bhrutyanapi. Bhrutya is the one who attenders of who? Of the Dhenuka. And how are they? Jambukatvena. So, Jambukatva, Jambu is also meaning of jackals. So, the servants who came like, how the jackals would pounce. So who came over there like that? Agraja Sanyutastvam. So along Agrajaha Sanyutaha. With the older brother, then in the second line, Jambu Phalaniva Tada Nirastaha. Jambu Phala is our, what is that purple fruit you call?
Zambul.
Zambul Marathi झालं. In the other word in the English or
Jamun. Jamun it is.
Jamun, yeah. So last when I was in the Valmiki Raman camp in Kolvan Chinmay Mission, because it's a forest area, so many in the woods the jamun trees are there, and wherever the jamun trees are there, down it's like purple carpet. So many fruits have simply fallen, smashed, and tread like so. It's so very easy because when it's ripe, it's very soggy and soft, and you can't just hold it in the hand when it is fully ripe. So how effortlessly that jamun gets crushed by falling itself, it gets crushed on that. Everywhere there was this purple thing, like around under the tree, all under the trees, all around the purple thing. So this jambu phalaniva. So now they're matching it with that jambuka. Jambuka is a jackal. Jambu phala is this jamun. Iva means like the jambu phala. Nirastaha. It was just finished without any effort. Without any effort. All this Taleshu Khelan Bhagavan Nirastaha. Taleshu is this the palm tree. So he dashed those. So this Nirastaha is it's a verb. Okay. One is the effortless form, and Nirastha is coming from the dhatu also, which means he took those bhrutyas, the attenders, and on the palm trees, taleshu, he just smashed them. And like a jambu phala, effortlessly, they got smashed also. So that means it was so effortless, the power of Balramji and Krishna Bhagwanji, that these attenders were literally crushed. They just had to pick and throw them on the palm tree and they were crushed over there effortlessly. So this nirastha word in both the places, it's of different meaning and different origin itself. So that part we need to enjoy over it. Very beautiful it is. तदीयभृत्यानपि जम्बुकत्वेनोपागतानग्रजसंयुतस्त्वम् जम्बूफलानीव तदा निरास्थः तालेषु खेलन् भगवन् निरास्थः. Good. Sajivji. Number 7. विनिघ्नन्ति त्वय्यथ जम्बुकौघम्
विनिघ्नति त्वय्यथ जम्बुकौधम्
like ogha.
विनिघ्नति त्वय्यथ जम्बुकौघम् कौघम्
end of the pada. So ma सनामकत्वाद् वरुणस्तदानीम्
सनामकत्वाद्वरुणस्तदानीम्
भयाकुलो जम्बुकनामधेयम्
भयाकुलो जम्बुकनामधेयम्
श्रुतिप्रसिद्धं व्यथितेति मन्ये
श्रुतिप्रसिद्धं व्यधितेति मन्ये विनिघ्नति त्वय्यथ जम्बुकौघं सनामकत्वाद्वरुणस्तदानीम् भयाकुलो जम्बुकनामधेयम् श्रुतिप्रसिद्धं व्यधितेति मन्ये.
Manye, I think so. What is he saying, thinking? Vinignanti tvai atha. In this way, when you are, so this is again Sapti Saptami. When you do this, then this is. So tvai is this Yushmat Shabdas Saptami, tvai. So it is not like in you. It doesn't mean that. In the Sata Saptami Prayog we have seen earlier, like when this happened, then this will happen. When it has to be explained like that. So tvayatha, like that when you were doing like this jambuka augha, the jackals one after another, the flow of the jackals, like the way you are smashing them on the tala trees, on the palm trees, sanamakatvat. So again our Panchami. Because of the Sanama, similar name, Varunaha Tadani. So Varun Bhagwan's name is also Jambuka. So he is having the same name Jambuka, Tadanim, that time, seeing the way with the Jambuka is getting smashed like a Jambu Phala on the Tala trees, Bhayakula. Varun Deva Bhagwan got scared. That because his name is so Jambuka Namadheyam. So his name Jambuka Shruti Prasiddham Vyadhiteti. Shruti Prasiddham means only in Shrutis, only in Vedas Vyadhiteti. Limited. This name is there. because Varun Bhagwan ji dropped his name only. Now only in Shruti, Jambuka means also Varun Bhagwan. Otherwise, in our stories and our day-to-day readings, we don't see Jambuka's translation as Varun Bhagwan. Iti manye. So like that he's saying, because think that Varun Bhagwan got so scared that he dropped his name everywhere else and kept it confined secretly only into the Vedas, because it's not accessible by all the others. No, so he Bhayakula, out of fear, he has kept himself only in the Shruti. विनिघ्नन्ति त्वय्यथ जम्बुकौघं सनामकत्वाद् वरुणस्तदानीं भयाकुलो जम्बुकनामधेयं श्रुतिप्रसिद्धं व्यधितेति मन्ये. राधा कृष्णन जी. नंबर 8. तवावतारस्य फलं मुरारे
तवावतारस्य फलं मुरारे
सञ्जातमद्येति सुरैर्नुतस्त्वम्
सञ्जातमद्येति सुरैर्नुतस्त्वम्
सत्यं फलं जातमिहेतिहासी.
सत्यं फलं जातिभिहेतिहासी आसी.
Again.
सत्यं फलं जाति सत्यं फलं जातमिहेतिहासी.
बालैः समन्तालफलान्यभुङ्क्ताः
बालैः समन्तालफलान्यभुङ्क्ताः तवावतारस्य फलं मुरारे सञ्जातमद्येति सुरैर्नुतस्त्वम् सत्यं फलं जातमिहेतिहासी. बालैः समन्तालफलान्यभुङ्क्ताः.
Very funny thing has happened. So now, seeing how Lord has killed all of these. So tavavatarasya phalam murare, O Murari, tavavatarasya phalam, your avatara's phalam, avatarasya phalam, apostrophe s, shashti ekvachan, your avatara's phalam sanjatam adya iti suraihi nutaha tvam. Sanjataha, your avatara's phalam, Sanjata, now only Adya, today only your avatara's phalam has come. Iti, like this, Suraihi, gods, Nutaha, praised, Tvam. So, when Dhenuka Vada has happened, lords are praising that, oh, your avatara's phalam, because you have come for this only killing, now your avatara's phala has happened, your avatara's phalam. So, Lord is saying very funnily, Satyam, really, phalam jatam iheti. Now only the phalam has come, and laughing, hasi, balai samam, with the balakas, with the gopakumaras, tala phalani bhungtaha. He is eating the tala phala. That they are meaning the phala of Avtara. Lord, because the tree is shaken, the phala has fallen. So yes, phalam jatam. Lord is saying, and eating the fruit. Yes, now only the phalam has come, satya. So Lord, it is like in the two ways, and again, this has to be enjoyed, the play of the words, like how it is. They are talking about Avtara phala. Lord is talking about this eating phala. Yes. Now only the phala has come, and he is eating the phala and enjoying it. Gurvairappa behind me is also laughing with that. तवावतारस्य फलं मुरारे सञ्जातमद्येति सुरैर्नुतस्त्वं सत्यं फलं जातमिहेतिहासी बालैः समन्तालफलान्यभुङ्क्ताः. Lakshmi ji. Very good. Number 9. Very nice words are there now. Madhudravasranti bruhanti tani
मधुद्रवसृन्ति बृहन्ति तानि
फलानि मेदो भरभृन्ति भुक्त्वा
फलानि मेदो भरभृन्ति भुक्त्वा
तृप्तैश्च दृप्तैर्भवनं फलौघम्
तृप्तैश्च दृप्तैर्भवनं फलौघम्
फलौघम् फलौघम्
फलौघम् फलौघम्.
Okay, say it again. Doesn't matter. Say it again.
तृप्तैश्च दृप्तैर्भवनं फलौघम्
वहद्भिरागः खलु बालकैस्त्वम्
वहद्भिरागाः खलु बालकैस्त्वम् मधुद्रवसृन्ति बृहन्ति तानि फलानि मेदो भरभृन्ति भुक्त्वा तृप्तैश्च दृप्तैर्भवनं फलौघम् वहद्भिरागः खलु बालकैस्त्वम्.
So beautiful. So the play of words is very nice. Madhu drava srunti. Madhu drava. Madhu is honey. Madhu, as though it is liquefied and it is overflowing. Srunti, it is flowing into it. Bruhamti, they are bruhat. They are big. Tani phalani, those fruits are medobhara. Meda is a fat, means they are very fleshy fruits, fleshy, juicy, big fruits. Bhuktva, our Tvantave, having eaten that, Truptaischa, becoming content, Druptaihi Havanam. Druptaihi means as if you have conquered something great. Havanam, to your home. Halaugham Vahadbihi, carrying it to your home also. Agaha Khalu Balakaistvam, with other balakas, Tvam, Bhavanam, Agaha, came back home, carrying it home also, Vahadhi. This Madhus Dravasrunti, Bruhanti, Medo Bharabhanti, such lovely description and play of words that needs to be enjoyed over here. So, unless the mind is also poetic and unless the wisdom is also high in both the language, the Laukika, and the Paramarthika, such words will not flow. It's very difficult to construct this and fit into the meter also and get that repetition figure of speech. It's so very beautiful to enjoy this. We'll think, okay, he's Jnani, so has written, but like just place for ourselves in a minute and then see that when we can value that poetic sense of this verse. Madhudravasranti bruhanti tani phalani medo bharabhanti bhuktva triptaischa druptai. See that triptai, druptai, both are different meanings. But to keep it together like that, that intelligence, that brilliance is amazing. Triptaischa druptai bhavanam phalaugham vahadbhiragah khalu balakaistvam. Pushpaji. Number 10. Hato hato dhenuk ityupetya.
हतो हतो धेनुक इत्युपेत्य
Halanyadadbhirmadhurani lokaihi.
फलान्यदद्भिर्मधुराणि लोकैः
Jayeti jiveti nuto vibhotvam.
जयेति नुतो विभोत्वम्
Marutpuradhishvara pahi rogat.
मरुत्पुराधीश्वर पाहि रोगात् हतो हतो धेनुक इत्युपेत्य फलान्यदद्भिर्मधुराणि लोकैः जयेति जीवेति नुतो विभोत्वम् मरुत्पुराधीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Yes, so now
सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनं गोविंदा गोविंदा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
I wish to chant Govinda's Nasanam. Ask also. If you say also okay, if you don't say also okay, say anyways at the end, I'm going to. So, hataha, dhenukaha, iti upetya. So, people, they were saying, Dhenuka is killed, Dhenuka is killed, upetya, when they were coming, and Khalani adad. What sandhi? Khalani adad. Quickly. What happened?
Yensan.
Yen sandhi. Halani is ikara, adad's akara, e and o is making ya, halanya dad. So, seeing the dad, we not say giving. Adad is to eat. So, all these phalani, adad, bhihi, lokaihi, the people by the phalas which are being eaten by the people and they are approaching and they are saying, Denuka hataha, Denuka hataha, Denuka has been killed, Denuka has been killed. Jayeti. Jaya. Jai Shri Krishna we say so Jai Jaikar is happening. Jiveti. Jiveti means, oh, you long live. Nutaha Vibho Tam. So they were praising like this, oh Vibho, oh all pervading one, Tvam. People were praising as they were approaching you. So much you were doing, no? Finally, what he has to say? Marutpuradhishvara, oh Guruvairappa, Pahiroga. You are doing so many miracles. Now, my one disease, you please take away. Bhattatiriji style of making each dashakam, praising the Lord, expressing his miracles with such wonderful compositions. And then that last half pada, Pahiroga, Pahimam, Marutpuradhishvara, he will call each time so very earnestly. We should keep that feeling each time when we finish that dashakam. That for what are we chanting Lord's prayers? And we make a connect with the Lord. The more earnest we are, the more the Lord's blessings. He will connect with you more. His blessings are on everyone. But the one who connects with his earnest, you can feel the blessing. Otherwise, we still come, oh, why me only, Lord always? Well, Lord doesn't get happy with me. We'll go in that negative zone. But if we keep that, and you will start feeling his grace pouring on you. Hato hato dhenuka ityupetya फलान्यदद्भिर्मधुराणि लोकैः जयेति जीवेति नुतो विभोत्वं मरुत्पुराधीश्वर पाहि रोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with his grace we completed one more dashak, and so easily again with his kripa. Next, immediately we are starting 54th Dashakam. Okay, so now this Kalya, this is going to start. So all the next 3 Dashakams are based on this Kalya Mardana story is happening. So build up is happening. Shalini Chandas, have we seen before? Yes, we have seen. Are you doubting? Then turn your papers. If you don't get, then only ask me in the WhatsApp, then I'll answer. But we have done this. We are not wasting time. Let's go ahead. Where is Prahlad? We'll start with you, Prahlad, now. You're there? Hari Om. Yeah. So Dashakam 54, Kaliyasya Yamunarhade Nivasasya Karana Varnanam. Why has he come to Yamuna river? That reason. So now the build-up of story is happening. Vatse Vodkas Saubharir Purvam.
त्वत्सेवोत्कसौभरिर्नाम पूर्वम्
कालिन्द्यन्तर्द्वादशाब्दन्तपस्यन्
कालिन्द्यन्तर्द्वादशाब्दं तपस्यन्
Shabdan, the Anuswara Nakara. Okay. Meenavrate snehavan bhogalole.
मीनव्रान्ते स्नेहवान् भोगलोले
Tarkshyam sakshadaikshatagre kadachit.
तार्क्ष्यं साक्षातैक्षताग्रे कदाचित् त्वत्सेवोत्कसौभरिर्नाम पूर्वम् कालिन्द्यन्तर्द्वादशाब्दं तपस्यन् मीनव्राते स्नेहवान् भोगलोले तार्क्ष्यं साक्षात् ऐक्षताग्रे कदाचित्.
Very nicely done. Okay, now give me a minute. So, Tvat Sevot Kaha Saubharir Nama Purvam, earlier, Saubharihi Nama, a Rishi by Saubhari name, Tvat, your Sevot Kaha, in desire of serving you, in desire of pleasing you, Kalindya Antaha, Kalindi Antaha, Kalindyantaha, Kalindi Antaha. Again, that same sandhi has come. Which? Kalindi
Sandhi.
So Kalindyanta, inside Kalindi, where? Means on the Yamuna. Dvadasha Abdam, of the years. Dvadasha, 12 years. Tapasyan. He was in the waters for 12 years in order to please you. Who? This Saubhari Nama Rishi, once upon a time, Purva. So, Meena Vrate. Meena Vrate is the fish. So again, Snehavan. He started liking the fish. Bhogalole. So how the fishes are enjoying life. And he got attached seeing those fishes. He got attached to those fishes. And that time, Tarkshyam. Tarksha is a Garuda. Sakshat. Aikshata. Agre. And he saw Sakshat Garud Bhagwan ji has come in front of him. He saw that. Kadachit. That time. Once the Garud ji has come now. So now you have to connect. What does the bird eat? Why does the bird come over there? For the fish. So that's the starting point. He has developed a attachment to the fish. He is doing tapasya for the Lord. So many times like this, now we are doing something and then we get attached to something else. The journey, where we have to reach the destination, we get stuck up in the journey. Exactly like how the mother fools the children. Okay. She has to do the work. The child is not leaving mother. Child wants mother. Then this mother gives some its favorite toy or a food. Then it gets engaged in that toy. It forgets what was it? It was wanting mother. But now the toy became important, or the chocolate became important, or whatever you fool the child. Child also got attached to whatever his sensual attractions, that okay, this sense pleases this. The child got stuck with that part. So like that, different things come in front of us. We forget the destination where we had got. We probably, okay, New Year, we start with one japamala or writing something and all with great. And then, okay, the stationery we want, we nice pen we want or sticker we want. Then we go into outer world in the decoration and then we stick over there somewhere and this writing part is gone and other things start up. Exactly like that has happened now to Saubhari Rishi. 12 years if somebody doing tapasya and also getting distracted, then what for us we have to see. Think, huh? We have to all think, all of us. त्वत्से बोत्कः सौभरिर्नाम पूर्वम् कालिन्द्यन्तर्द्वादशाब्दम् तपस्यन् मीनव्राते स्नेहवान् भोगलोले तार्क्ष्यम् साक्षादैक्षताग्रे कदाचित्. Nice. Speak to come. त्वद्वाहन्तं सक्षुधं तृक्षसूनुम्
त्वद्वाहन्तुं त्वद्वाहं तं सक्षुधं त्रक्षसूनुम्.
Good. मीनं कञ्चिज्जक्षतं लक्षयन् सः.
मीनं कञ्चिज्जक्षतल्लक्षयन् सः.
तप्तश्चित्ते शप्तवानत्र चेत्त्वम्.
तप्तश्चित्ते शप्तवानत्र चेत्त्वम्.
जन्तून् भोक्ता जीवितं चापि मोक्ता.
जन्तून् भोक्ता जीवितं चापि मोक्ता. त्वद्वाहन्तं सक्षुधं तृक्षसूनुं मीनं कञ्चिज्जक्षतल्लक्ष्ययन् सः. तप्तश्चित्ते शप्तवानत्र चेत्त्वम्. जन्तून् भोक्ता जीवितं चापि मोक्ता.
Twadvaham, Bhattatiri is saying to the Lord, Twadvaham, your Vahana. Twadvaha, whose? That on which you are sitting, that Trikshasunu, that Garuda, which is carrying you, he Sankshudham. Shudha is hunger. Because of his hunger, out of his hungry, Meenam Kanchit, some fish. Jakshatam Lakshayan Saha. He aimed to eat, jakshatam, to eat, lakshayan, he aimed to eat some fish because he was hungry. Seeing that, lakshayan saha, seeing that, taptaha chitte, that Saubhari, he got angry, taptaha chitte, his mind got angry. Then Shaptavan, he cursed. Atra chetvam, over here, if you do this, what? Jantun bhokta, any creatures, not only the fish, any creatures if you will eat over here, Jeevitam chapi mokta, you will lose your life. So this Jantun bhokta, Jeevitam mokta. So again, this is the rhyming of the words that you eat this, then you will lose your life. This is the curse Saubhari ji gives to Garud Bhagwan ji. Tvadvahantam sankshuddham trikshasurum meenam kanchid jakshatan lakshayan saha taptaschitte shaptavanatra chetvam jantun bhokta jeevitan chapi mokta. Yes, Arjun. Tasmin kale kaliyaha kshveladarpat.
तस्मिन् काले कालियः क्ष्वेलदर्पात्
सर्पारातेः कल्पितं भागमश्नन्
सर्पारातेः कल्पितं भागमश्नन्
तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्भोजभाजा
तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्भोजभाजा
पक्षक्षिप्तस्तद्दुरापम्पयोगात्
पक्षक्षिप्तस्तद्दुरापम्पयोगात् तस्मिन् काले कालियः क्ष्वेलदर्पात् सर्पारातेः कल्पितं भागमश्नन् तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्भोजभाजा पक्षक्षिप्तस्तद्दुरापम्पयोगात्.
So now what is Tasmin Kale? That time Kaliyaha Kshvela Darpa. Kshvela is his poison, and because of he was proud of his poison Darpat. Because of his poison, this Kaliya was very proud. Sarpa Rate He. And Sarpa Rate, Rate is this enemy, and Sarpa Rate, the enemy of the Sarpas, that is that Garuda, Kalpitam, Bhaga, Ashnan, having eaten the portion that was kept aside for Garuda, Tena Krodhat, out of that anger, Tvatpadam Bhoja Bhaja, the one who is worshipping your feet, Patakariji is saying to the Lord, devoted to your feet, in anger, Paksha Kshiptaha. So the wing, Paksha means also wings. So the wings were affected of this Garuda. But Taddurapam, this Garuda, Taddurapam Payaha Agat, this water of this Payaha, Adya is water, the river water, Yamuna, this Garuda cannot approach. Why? Because he has a curse. So Garuda couldn't take. So this Kaliya came into Yamuna to escape from Garuda. Because he is very sure that Garuda cannot attack him over here. He is proud of his poison, but he is taking also benefit of this curse, so that his enemy, he can harm the enemy, but the enemy can't harm him. So that is the shelter he has taken now in Yamuna. Who? Kaliya now comes in Yamuna because of this reason. Tasmin kale kaliyaha kshvela darpat सर्पारातेः कल्पितं भागमश्नन् तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्भोजभाजा पक्षक्षिप्तस्तद्दुरापम्पयोगात्. Yes, Anishtya. Number 4. घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजानीरवासे.
घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजानीरवासे
तीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः क्ष्वेलवेगात्.
तीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः क्ष्वेलवेगात्
पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पतन्तः
पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पतन्तः
कारुण्याद्रन् त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्
कारुण्यार्द्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम् घोरे तस्मिन् शूरजानीरवासे तीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः क्ष्वेलवेगात् पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पतन्तः कारुण्यार्द्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्.
Thank you. So now what happens? Ghore tasmin. So ghora, very bad, very cruel. Suraja Neeravase. Suraja Neeravasa, Neeravasa in the waters of Yamuna, who is taking the shelter, who? This Kaliya, because of his presence over there, and he's so ghora, the Tire Vriksha, the trees on the Tira, on the bank, the Tire Vrikshas, Vikshataha, they were drooping, they were falling apart because of Shwela Vegar, because of the impact of the poison. The trees on the land, the trees on the banks of the river were also drooping off. Then not only that, Pakshi Vrataha, the birds, Petuhu Abhre Patantaha, all the birds, Abhra, sky, Abhre, from the sky, Patantaha, Petuhu Patantaha, they were falling down dead. So seeing this, Karunyardram, melting with Karunya, with compassion, Twan, Manasaha Tena Jatam, your mind, your heart was melting in compassion. Lord Bhattatriji is saying that Lord's mind was melting in compassion because trees and birds were getting harmed because of Kaliya's presence over there. Just the presence and the poisonous effect. Ghore tasmin surajaniravaase tire vriksha vikshataha kshwela vegar pakshivratah peturabhe patamtaha कारुण्यार्द्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्. One है. Number 5. काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिम्
काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिम्
मुक्त्वा याते यामुनङ्काननान्तम्
मुक्त्वा याते यामुनङ्काननान्तम्
वैयुद्धामग्रीष्म भीष्मोष्म तप्ताः
त्वय्युद्धामग्रीष्म भीष्मोष्म तप्ताः.
So we have to get all the shakaras, murdhani shakaras when we are chanting. So mark this and keep Grishma, Bhishma, Ushma, all this very beautiful rhyming of this words he has put together. Go go pala vyapi bankshvela toyam.
Go गोपाला व्यापि बन्क्ष्वेलतोऽयम् काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिम् मुक्त्वा यान्ते यामुनङ्काननान्तम् त्वय्युद्दामग्रीष्म भीष्मोष्म तप्ताः गोपाला व्यापि बन्क्ष्वेलतोऽयम्.
So now one story is coming up now. So what has happened? Kale tasmin, one ekada samay, Sira pani. Sira is the plow. Pani, the one who holds the plow in the hand. Means who? Balram. Muktva, leaving him. Yate Yamuna. Kananantam. In the forest, on the banks of the Yamuna, Yate, you had come. That time, Tvai Uddama Grishma Bhishma Ushma Tapta. So it's a very hot, sunny day, and it's been nicely heated. And because of that, Gogopalaha, they were thirsty. Vyapiban Kshvelatoyam. They drank the poisonous Kshvelatoyam, poisonous water. They drank. So now the story starts. काले तस्मिन् एकदासीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनङ्काननान्तं त्वय्युद्दाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोष्म तप्ताः ओ गोपाला व्यापिबन् श्वेलतोयम्. Lalitama. Number 6. नश्य जीवान् विच्युतान् क्ष्मातलेतान्.
नश्यज्जीवान् विच्युतान् क्ष्मातलेतान्.
Vishwan Pashyan. So, Tan Vishwan, like that is the word, okay? Vishwan Pashyan Achyutatvam Dayardraha. Achyutatvam is a dvitva. Tvam Dayardraha.
विश्वान् पश्यन्नच्युतत्वं दयार्द्रः.
प्राप्योपान्तं जीवयामासि तद्राक्. तद्राक् द्वित्वा.
प्राप्योपान्तं जीवयामासि तद्राक्.
ईयुषाम्भो वर्षिभिः श्रीकटाक्षैः.
ईयुषाम्भो वर्षिभिः श्रीकटाक्षैः. नश्यज्जीवान् विच्युतान् क्ष्मातलेतान्. विश्वान् पश्यन्नच्युतत्वं दयार्द्रः. प्राप्योपान्तं जीवयामासि तद्राक्. ईयुषाम्भो वर्षिभिः श्रीकटाक्षैः.
So now what has happened when they have drunk the water? Nashya Jivan. They became unconscious. They lost their lives. Vichutan, and they fell. Shma is Bhumi, on the earth. Shmatale, on the ground. Tan Vishwan, seeing all of that. Pashyan, seeing all of them. Achyuta, oh Achyuta, this is Sambodhan. Tvam Dayardraha, you again melted with compassion and kindness. And then Prapya, Upantam, coming near them. Upantam Prapya. Jivayamasitha, you revived them. Grak, instantly. How? Piyushambho Varshibhihi. Piyushambhu, nectar was oozing, shower of the nectar. Through how? Shri Katakshahi. By your glance at them, you showered the Amrutam on them with your glance and you revived them drak. Quickly, immediately. Because he melted in their compassion, Dayadra. See what all Bhagwan can do. Why Bhattadiriji is saying? Because in the end he has to say, Pahimam Rogat. So many things he is doing, such miracles. So we have to each time connect over there, and he has put it in the first person. So we have to connect ourselves at each of this step. What all miracles are happening? Not just a story, all things have happened. It is our history, our culture. So we have to bring that, not mere story in the storybook. We have to bring this all live and experience and relive in our mind and make that mind green, soft. So much hard mind. We sit with so many feelings, hardness inside, with so many relatives around and what all we do and the way we behave. Somewhere Dravata, always that compassion and Ardrata, the words that is used, melting, moist with compassion. These things we'll have to hear again and again and cultivate so that our hard mind somewhere melts. Nashyad for Lord, not for attachment for the family. Again, otherwise, go on back. Nashya Jivan Vichutan Kshmataletan Vishwan Pashyan Nachu. I'm going to put a hyphen over there and we'll put Tan Vishwan together. It is not fitting otherwise. It's not there, but for our class, so many things we develop, this also we will develop. Tan hyphen Vishwan should come together. Then only the meaning will make sense. नश्य जीवान् विच्युतान् क्ष्मातले तान् विश्वान् पश्यन्नच्युतत्वन्दयार्द्रः प्राप्योपान्तं जीवयामासि तद्रा पीयूषाम्भो वर्षिभिः श्रीकटाक्षैः लताजी oh you are not well.
No, I know a little bit, but I want to sing.
Yes, we have to sing Lord's name. Number 7. King king jato harshavarshatirekah.
किं जातो हर्षवार्षिते किं जातो हर्षवर्षातिरेकः
सर्वाङ्गेष्वित्युत्था oh
उत्थिता
yeah so सर्वाङ्गेष्वित्युत्थिता गोपसङ्घाः
सर्वाङ्गेशेष्वित्युत्था no
गेशे no
सर्वाङ्गेशेष्वित्युत्
गेशवी
oh sorry सर्वाङ्गेष्वित्युत्थिता गोपसङ्घाः
a nice tongue twister with Yuthita. So, ge shvityuthita. Shvityu. We'll have to practice. And then we have
breaking
to give a dvitva. Oh, am I?
yes
Okay. Is it okay now?
yeah a little bit yeah couldn't hear what you
Shvityu, we
said.
should keep on practicing. And then the tyu is also a dvitva. So, shvityuthita. That also has to come. So, we need, and the shvi is also more than a shakara. So,
yes
quite a nice tongue twister. But we'll get it. Shvityuthita. Okay. दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृतं तद्विदन्तः
दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृतं sorry दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृतं तद्विदन्तः
त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनानाप्रभावाः
त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनानाप्रभावाः किं जातो हर्षवर्षातिरेकः सर्वाङ्गेष्वित्युत्थिता गोपसङ्घाः दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृतं तद्विदन्तः त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनानाप्रभावाः
So now what has happened? Kim jataha? What all has happened? Harsha varshatirekaha. Atirekaha. There is overwhelming of harsha and varsh. There is some bliss overflow happening. Sarvangeshu. In all the body. Utthitaha gopasangaha said. The gopasangha, the boys, the cowherd boys, who were revived by Lord, Utthita, when they woke up, they said this, what is this wonder? What is this wonder? My God, the whole body is thrilled with bliss and happiness. Harsha Varshati Reka. So the words that is, Harsha is like the extreme joy. And of that shower, Varsha, and that shower, Atirekaha. Overflow of joy and bliss they are experiencing. Drishtva agre tvam tvatkritam. So seeing drishtva agre, having seen you in front, tvatkritam, you have only done this. Tad vidantaha, knowing that, tvamalingan, they embraced him. Drishta, nana prabhavaha, seeing so much Lord's glory, Nana Prabha, so many things now these cowboys are seeing. One that Aghasura, they saw Taruna. So many things they saw Brahmaji is there. So Nana Prabhava Drushta Tvamalingan, they embrace the Lord. So lucky, no? King Jato Harsha Varshatirekah Sarvangeshvityuthita Gopa Sarvangeshvityuthita Gopasanghaः दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृतं तद्विदन्तः त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनानाप्रभावाः लक्ष्मी जी number 8 गावश्चैव लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन
गावश्चैवन् लब्धजीवाक्षणेन
जीवाः we have to say full because kra is
जीवाः क्षणेन
jiva no we'll have to say it complete because kra is there गावश्चैव लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन
गावश्चैवन् लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन
Anuswara's lakara l because la is there so la will come गावश्चैव
Mm, the
न
L and L together.
हाँ गावश्चैव न ल with the chandra bindu
Okay. गावश्चैवन् लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन
correct स्फीतानन्दास्त्वां च दृष्ट्वा पुरस्तात्
स्फीतानन्दास्त्वा च दृष्ट्वा पुरस्तात्
त्वां च अनुस्वर द्रागाववृः सर्वतो हर्षबाष्पम्
द्रागावव्रु सर्वतो हर्षबाष्पम्
व्यामुञ्चन्त्यो मन्दमुद्यन्निनादाः
व्यामुञ्चन्त्यो मन्दमुद्यन्निनादाः गावश्चैवल्लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन स्फीतानन्दास्त्वा च दृष्ट्वा पुरस्तात् द्रागावव्रु सर्वतो हर्षबाष्पम् व्यामुञ्चन्त्यो मन्दमुद्यन्निनादाः
So beautiful description has come of now the Gopa boys we saw, huh? They got up and they felt there every room mein khushi, like this how they say, like that every cell of bliss. Now the other scene, Gavaha cha evam. Gavaschainam Gavaha Visarga Shakara cha evam Vruddhi. So lines from these are there. Always keep that mind over there. So evam, in this way also Gavas, the cows, Labdha Jivaha, having Labdha Jivaha, having got their life back, Chanena, immediately, Sphita they were also oozing happiness, sprouting happiness, like that. Tvam cha društva purastat, and having seen you in the front, purastat in front, društva, having seen you, tvanta way, drag, quickly, abavru, surrounded the Lord, sarvataha, from all the sides. Lord is in the center, and from all the sides, these cows and calves are there. And harsha bashpam, they are having tears of joy. And Vyamunchati Mandam Udhyan Ninadaha. And little they are moving. They are moving. The cows are moving. How they are expressing? In Mandam, in the low voice, they are moving and they are having tears of joy. Cows do respond, cows do cry, and I have seen that in Swamiji's ashram. And if I'll go to pat them, they will just give their whole body on me, and it would be so heavy. And then when I will stop, then again there's small sound they will come that I have to continue. Then I'll say I have my class now, I have to go, and they will shake their head no. Then I have to pamper. I said, then can I go now? And again the answer would they will shake and say no. So the cow. So I stayed for what few days and they developed the bond. Then those are continuously living with them, what bonds they are doing. So sensitivity. I have got a video of them saying no and all because it would happen each time. I said, again, I'll go to the cowshed and again I'll get caught over there and again I'll make their life difficult and my life difficult of not able to come and have to attend the class also. So it's lovely. It is every day, morning and evening, each time. गावश्चैव लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन स्फीतानन्दास्त्वां च दृष्ट्वा पुरस्तात् द्रागाववृः सर्वतो हर्षबाष्पम् व्यामुञ्चन्त्यो मन्दमुद्यन्निनादाः. Okay. Sajiv ji. Number 9. रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो नः शरीरे
रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो नः शरीरे
भूयस्यन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा
भूयस्यन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा
आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः मुकुन्देति ukto, but we are not keeping mukundeti ukto e and u yan sandhi has happened. We are keeping the sandhi intact, going ahead.
आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो नः शरीरे भूयस्यन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः.
Very funny. The Gopas are saying, I'll just spotlight. Yeah. So romanchahayam. So there is a horripilation. Sarvataha naha sharire. Naha sharire. So what is naha vibhakti? Quickly.
Kami द्वितीया?
Which shabda? Asmat.
अस्मत्.
So romanchahayam nas sharire. Naha is our sharira. Aham avam vayam prathama mamma avam now asman naha. Naha. Asman and naha. Dvitiya. So it is Dvitiya Bahuvachan. All on our all bodies there is this romancha, there is horripilation. Bhuyaha antaha, and again inside there is Kachit Anandcha. And Bhuya, again there is something inside, some overwhelming joy which cannot be contained inside. There is so much, there is so much intense feeling inside. Ascharyoyam, it is a wonder that ayam kshvelavegah, is this the power of the poison? Oh, Mukunda. Mukunda, see again, deliberately, Lord is being addressed as Mukunda, one who releases, one who gives mukti, one who gives freedom. Now they have revived, so the Lord is being addressed as Mukunda. So, Mukunda, is that because of this? And Gopaihi Nandita Vandito Bhuhu. So they, with all their feelings, they Vanditaha, they praise the Lord and they bow down to the Lord. Romanchoyam sarvato nasharire bhuyasyantah kachidanandamurcha आश्चर्योऽयं श्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः. Last but not the least. Oh, I see Sunita ji's hand. What happened? After so long you are raising hand, you lost 2 chances. Evam bhaktan mukta jivanapi tvam. You can unmute yourself, my dear.
एवं भक्तान् मुक्त जीवानपि त्वम्
मुग्धा पाङ्गैरस्तरोगांस्तनोषि
मुग्धापाङ्गैरस्तरोगांस्तनोषि
तादृग्भूतस्फीतकारुण्यभूमा
तादृग्भूतस्फीतकारुण्यभूमा
रोगात् पाया वायुगेहाधिवास
रोगात् पाया वायुगेहाधिनाथ एवं भक्तान् मुक्त जीवानपि त्वं मुग्धापाङ्गैरस्तरोगांस्तनोषि तादृग्भूतस्फीतकारुण्यभूमा रोगात् पाया वायुगेहाधिनाथ.
Very nice. So, evam, in this manner, bhaktan mukta jivan api, those bhaktas who are mukta jiva, who are dead, tvam mugdha pangaihi, by your charming glances. Also, and astarogan stanoshi, those who had diseases also you made them free. Those who are dead also you have revived them. Tadr, bhuta, sphita, karunya bhuma. Bhuma is a infinite. So much infinitely compassionate you are. In that so much you have. Then Rogat paya vayugeha divas. To me, you can rogat payaha. Payaha protect me, like in Pahi we say, no? So you can free me of my ailments as well, right? The dead people are brought to life. My ailment, I am alive. That much you can take, right? एवं भक्तान् मुक्तजीवानपि त्वं मुग्धापाङ्गैरस्तरोगांस्तनोषि तादृग्भूतस्फीतकारुण्यभूमा रोगात् पाया वायुगेहाधिवास सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Wow, what a grace. Well, before time we have finished. I'm tempting to start the next one, but we will not finish, and then we'll have to wait for 1 week to complete it. And the next Dashakam is having a very, very nice singing tune and a very, so it's good not to get into it because we won't complete. Even if I'd eat into daily Gita waiting period also, it won't complete. So it's better we do that in the next week. We'll start because now that Kalia Bhagwan's the Kalia Mardan so Kalia Mardan is going to happen this Dashakam Kalia Mardana Varan. So this Bhagwan's Avtara is going to again happen in this in the sense his Leela is going to come. So we should do it as a whole thing. And we'll wait for 1 week. I'll give a teaser. अथवारिणि घोरतरं फणिनं प्रतिवारयितुं कृतधीर्भगवन् धृतमारिथतीरगणीपतरुं विषमारुतशोषितपर्णचयम्. So it's going to go like this, very nice. So we'll give a full time for it and enjoy that rather than rush through. So since we have time, we'll just revise this last Dashakam again. I see few hands up, so you all will get.
Varshaji, was it this Chandas? Is it named after Totakacharya? Because I read somewhere that he had composed something. He's the one who couldn't speak, or he was.
Yes, yesterday in our talk I mentioned, right? Our Eknathi Bhagavata, I told this whole story yesterday only.
Yeah.
You were there yesterday, so
yes,
we
I
spoke
was
about
there.
this.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Totaka Chandas.
So
Yes.
then now suddenly this is also coming, the coincidence. So I was just
We
thinking.
saw that, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Yesterday we saw.
Okay, some more hands I need. There are 4 already. I need 6 hands. Okay, now there are 7 hands there. Can I get 3 more hands? 8, 9, 1 more hand enough. Okay, now wait. Okay, so Sajid ji, first one. Pavane, second one. Lata ji, third one. Lalita ji, fourth one. Sahana ji, fifth one. Lakshmi ji, sixth one. Radha Krishnan ji, 7. Sumita ji, 8. Padma ji, 9. And Lakshmi R. Prahlad's mom, 10th one. Okay, let us start. So last Dashakam.
त्वत्सेवोत्कस्सौभरिर्नाम पूर्वं कालिन्द्यन्तर्द्वादशाब्दं तपस्यन् मीनव्राते स्नेहवान् भोगलोले तार्क्ष्यं साक्षादैक्षताग्रे कदाचित्
त्वद्वाहन्तं सक्षुधन्तृक्षसूनुं मीनं कञ्चिज्जक्षतल्लक्षयन् सः तत्तश्चित्ते शप्तवानत्र चेत्त्वं जन्तून् भोक्ता जीवितं चापि मोक्ता
तस्मिन् काले कालियः क्ष्वेलदर्पात् सर्पारातेः कल्पितं भागमश्नन् तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्भोजभाजा पक्षक्षिप्त पक्षक्षिप्तस्तद्दुरापम्पयोगात्
घोरे तस्मिन् घोरशानिवासे तीरे वृक्ष
Mike is away.
निर्जरा थांब कुठे सर एक मिनिट घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजानीरवासे तीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः क्षेलवेगात् पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पतन्तः कारुण्यार्द्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्
काले तस्मिन् एकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनन् काननान्तम् भीष्मोष्मतप्ताः गोपाला व्यापिबन्क्ष्वेलतोऽयम्
नश्यज्जीवान् विच्युताङ्क्ष्मातलेतान् विश्वान् पश्यन्नच्युतत्वन्तयार्द्रः प्राप्योपान्तम् जीवयामासि तद्राक् पीयूषाम्भोवर्षिभिः श्रीकटाक्षैः
किं जादो हर्षवर्षातिरेकः सर्वाङ्गेष्वत्युत्थितागोपसङ्घाः दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृतं तद्विदन्तः त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनानाप्रभावाः
गावश्चैव लब्धजीवाः क्षणेन प्रीतानन्दास्त्वां च दृष्ट्वा पुरस्तात् त्रागा सर्वतो हर्षवाश्वं व्यामुञ्चन्तयो मन्दबुद्ध्यन्निनादाः
मुञ्चन्तयो next
रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो नः शरीरे भूयस्यन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्च्छा आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः
एवं भक्तान् मुक्तजीवानपि त्वं मुग्धापाङ्गैरस्तरोगांस्तनेति
तनोषि
तादृग्भूत
तनेति नो तनोषि
तनोषि ओके तादृग् तादृग्भूतस्फीतकारुण्यभूमा रोगात् पायावायुगेहाधिनाथ सदा सर्वत्र I think I have to correct it. It's different in my book. I will correct it from Prahlad's book.
Complete that. Complete. You.
सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
Awesome. See, we finished quickly one round also, and again the time is there, and we have this time for Nirja. Nirja, what shloka you have prepared for us today? Let me highlight it. Give me a minute.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः वसुदेवसुतं देवं कौसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु.
जगद्गुरु. So nice. Fantastic. अजून कुठला येतोय का? अजून दुसरा कुठला श्लोक येतो का तुला?
मला कृष्णाचा नाही येत.
हा, मग कोणाचा येतो?
रामरक्षा येते पण.
रामरक्षाचे पहिले 2 श्लोक म्हणून टाक.
राम राम रामेति रमे रामे.
तुला जो येतो रामरक्षाचा तो म्हण ना, आजीकडनं नको म्हणून घे. तुला कुठला येतो तो? ध्यायेदा जानुबाहुं ते येतंय ना, तो पहिला श्लोक म्हण. एक श्लोक म्हण.
ध्यायेदा जानुबाहुं धृतशरधनुषं बद्धपद्मासनस्थं पीतं वासोवसानं नवकमलदलस्पर्धिनेत्रं प्रसन्नं वामङ्कारोरसीता मुखकमलमिलल्लोचनं नीरधाभं नानालङ्कारदीप्तं ददटमुरजटामण्डनं रामचन्द्रम् इति ध्यानम् चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनं ध्यात्वा नीलोत्पलश्यामं रामं राजीवलोचनं जानकी लक्ष्मणोपेतं जटामुकुटपरिणितं सासीतून धनुर्बाणं बाणन्नक्तं चरान्तकं स्वलीलयां जगद्रातुं माविर्भूतवजन्य रामरक्षा पठेत् प्राज्ञा पापग्नं स्वर्मकामदा शिरो मे राघवभातु बालं
दशरथा बस एवढं इथपर्यंत बस. आता पुढच्या क्लासमध्ये त्याचे पुढचे 5 श्लोक आपण भालम पर्यंत प्रोटेक्शन दिलं. आता पुढचे पण भागांना प्रोटेक्शन दिलं पुढच्या वर्गात यायचं बरं का. ठीक आहे, उत्तम, छान. Thank you, Nisha, for making us happy. We had so much time in class today. We could. Okay.
She rushed back from school because she wanted to chant.
Oh my God. So sweet. Good. Yes, we should encourage if they want to chant.
Yeah.
There we are the way. We don't have to force them to chant. No, it is
Yeah.
coming automatically. Then we should. Okay. So I'm assuming there are no more questions. We meet next. We will go ahead with the Kalya Mardana and the next one. So today we just built up the story, how Kalya has come, what all he did, and what is the Antariksham happening over there. And next Kalya Mardana will happen. Bhagwan's that Leela will come. And then Bhagwan's Anugraha will also follow. So 54, 55, 56. It's all the that Prasanga, Kalya Prasanga is there. Okay. So now let us end our session. Wait eagerly for next week to see this meter, Totaka meter. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Varshaji, thank you.
Thank you, Varshaji. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Hari Om.
Thank you,
Thank you, Varshaji. Namaste.
Hari Om.